Colors.
Colors.
Okay, what color is this?
It's a brown.
Good. And this?
It's blue.
And this?
It's yellow.
This?
It's red.
This?
It's green.
This?
It's purple.
This?
It's orange.
This?
It's black.
This?
It's pink.
This?
It's green.
Great, good job. Okay, next we have shapes.
Six.
Yeah, let's do some shapes.
Six.
What's this?
It's red.
Good. This?
It's an oval.
Oval, good job. And this?
It's like it's a diamond.
Good.
It's inside. Oh.
Oh. It's okay. What's this?
It's a triangle.
Okay. And what's this?
It's heart.
This?
There's a rectangle.
This?
It's like a gold star.
Okay. This?
It's a pentagon.
Pentagon. Okay. This?
It's a circle.
Good job. Well done.
It's a sphere.
Okay. We'll do numbers.
Some numbers.
Let's do some numbers.
Some numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
What number is this?
So one.
Good. And this?
Oh. It's a two.
Okay.
Two.
What's this?
It's three. So four. So five. It's a 5, 6, 7. It's an 8. It's a 9. It's a 10.
Good job. Well done. Great job. Okay. Can we do some alphabets now?
Here's a car.
Okay. There we are. What's this?
So it goes a giraffe.
What is this?
So here's a giraffe.
Which giraffe? Okay, I don't have a giraffe right now.
What's the giraffe?
Okay, what is this?